what could be next, after 40 years? Well, this is next. And what I like is that a while ago, we know him as Direk, Loren, Jogi, and all. I know him as my friend. And that's how he spoke a while ago. And to be accepted into a family like Star Magic, kasi akala ko, dati kasi puro ang focus nila nasa mga kabataan. So, tinanong ko isang beses, sabi ko, what's my role in this? But it was explained to me what my role is going to be. And I'm excited to play that role for everyone. So, to all of you watching, watch out for the projects that we're going to be working on. And they may not be, maybe some of the projects may not be performing, but still, they will be projects that are meant to move and to make an impact on hearts of young people, hearts of seasoned people. And I like that role. And if that's the role I'm supposed to play, then I'll play it to the hilt. Maraming salamat, Cory. Thank you so very much. When I saw the presentation sa video pa lang, sabi ko, kayo yung pinaghandaan nyo para sa akin, naging emotional talaga ako. Sabi ko sa kanila, babawi ako sa concert. Doon kayo magiging emotional, Pure Energy. That's on April 26 and 27. And on May 10, we have an extension all at the MOA. So again, maraming salamat. I feel so blessed. My kids are here. Kiana is here. Paolo had to leave dahil siya po ang director ng concert ko. So he's there. I'll be going there soon to the rehearsals. But yeah, parang this is tonight when I go to bed, parang it's all going to seem like a dream until I wake up tomorrow morning and realize, no, it was not. The people in media, you guys have been a part of my journey in big and small ways, and the journey continues. In a way, this is the last thing I want to say. In a way, tama yung anak ko, si Kiana. Hindi siya naniniwala that it's the last time. And a lot of people don't. But when you come and see the show, you'll understand why it is what it is. There's a clear leading for me kasi as to where I'm supposed to go. And I think being with Star Magic is one of the directions I'm supposed to head towards. So you'll all know that and you'll all see that as time goes by. So maraming salamat to ABS-CBN and to Star Magic. I'm truly overwhelmed with what I've seen and with what I've heard and who I'm with today. Angeli, thank you so much. What a journey, no?